Hi guys, how are you all? So as you know, in our previous video, we have learned about Kotlin collections, how we can create mutable list and immutable list. Today we are going to learn more about Kotlin, and today we are going to learn about some new functions, that is a filter function, how you can use filter, how you can use map, flatMap, and forEach in Kotlin. So to see how we can use a filter, for example, when you have a list of numbers list, and in this we have it is a list of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3, we missed 3, 3 4 5 and 6. And what if you want to filter out only the list, if you want to filter out only the even numbers from the list, or if you want to filter out the odd numbers from the list, then how you can do it? One way is, what we can do, let's make a function is even, and that is taken int, and it is boolean. And one way will be like we iterate all the numbers on the list, and we just simply pass it from this function, and then whichever coming as true, we may put them into another list. Or another way is we can use filter. So another list which will be equals to number list, we can simply use filter. And for now, let's it expect a lambda. So what we can do is simply pass on the function reference. This is called as the function reference. You can pass a function reference to a function, and let's try to print this list. You will see. So yeah, let's run it, and we will see 2 4 and 6. That is the output that we can do with the help of filter. Also in this, what we can simply do is, without if you don't want to pass the reference, we can pass on the complete function here. We just need to remove this, and you can use it like this way as well, and it will behave the same. And also, it what we can do is we can pass on a lambda inside it. If we want, we can do it the same as well. But uh, how, if you want to see how you can pass a lambda, just do one thing. uh, we can remove all this function, and yeah, for now just remove this, and let's have a like it like this. A, that is an int, and a we have set like 2 equals to 0. We can do it like this as well, and it will behave the same. If you don't know how you to create a lambda, you can check on the video in the series, higher order function and lambda functions in Kotlin. You will get to know. So we can do this, we can do it in this way as well, and it will give us the same result. 2 4 and 6. Also, when we have the filter function, it gives us like it, basically in Kotlin, whenever we provide a lambda, it gives us an it, that is basically the numbers from this list. So we can also do like it, and we can simply say 2 equals to 0. So it will also gives us the same in output. You can do the filter in the same way as well, right? So another thing which we can do is, for example, this is the this is a list of numbers. What if you have a list of some other entities? Let's have, for example, we have a list of motor vehicle, and in this, let's have, well, name, uh, and let's yeah, let's have not the name, let's have a brand, that's a string, and well, color, and that is also a string for now. And like, let's make a list of motor list, which is equals to list of and in this what we can say, it is a list of motor vehicle and brand is BMW and its color will be red, right? And also what we can add, just copy it, right? Red, let's have it's black. We can have the white, and we have the brand BMW, we can say Toyota, and we can have the Audi. Let's have this as well, Audi. And what if you want to filter out the on the basis of color, if you wanted to filter out this motor list on the basis of color, then we can also do this. Let's try it. Motor list dot filter it dot, we can have the either we can filter out with brand or we can filter out with color, which is equals to, we can say red. So let's see, it will give us the motor vehicle brand, that is Audi, is color red, its color red, and Toyota, it's given, it's filter out the motor vehicle whose color is red on the basis of this is how you can also filter out. Now let's move to the map and flat map in Kotlin and let's see how we can use them. So for this, let's remove all of this for now. So guys, we have a number list and we want to see the map and use of map and flat map. So what will map will do? So for example, if I ask you to scale the number of all the numbers inside this list, then how will you do it? One way is we can do is numbers list dot for each, and then we can have another list, and then you can say it dot it into it, and then we can square it like this. Otherwise, what with the help of map, what we can do simply is we need to do it like this. We can simply say well squared numbers, which will be equals to number list dot map, and it will give us an it multiplied by 8. Basically we want to square it. So and when you try to print it, print that is square numbers, let's see what it will give us. And you will see, yeah 1 4 9 16 25 and 36, it has just scared all the numbers, and you can simply use the map for it. So when so what it will say, basically map returns us a list of containing the result of applying the basically map returns us a list containing the result of applying the certain set of transformation to each element in the original collection. So basically map, it will traverse to each of the element in the list, and it will transform it the way we want. So this is how you can scale, this is how you can use the map. Basically you can map it to anything you want. Also let's do one thing. We were having a list that is basically, well, motor list, we were having motor list which is equals to list of let's have motor vehicle, and we were having the brand was BMW, and we were having the color red. And let's do one thing. Let's try to copy it. Basically just put a comma and let's copy it. And I want to, we can say yes. And blue, black, and white. We have like this. And let's have it another data class that is also more that is unique motor vehicle. In this, let's have two things same, the like the way we were having the brand and the color. And also in this, let's have the id that is an int. So what if you want to transform this motor list into this unique motor vehicle? So how we can do it? So with the help of map, what we can do is, well, new list that will be equals to motor list dot, we can say map. And what we can do is simply unique motor vehicle. And in this, what we can do, it dot brand and it dot color, basically. And simply we can say values that is like uh, 1 or 2 we have passed on the id. So now if we do this, you will see like the new list has become the list of unique motor vehicles because it has converted mapped it to unique motor vehicle. And also if you want to see println, we can say new list, and you will see like this, the new it is going to have the id. This is transformed into mapped into the unique motor vehicle. So this is how you can use map. Now let's see how we use the flat map. So now we have a list, motor vehicle list. And just remove this for to see the another example. We have let's remove this as well. We have a list of motor vehicles like this. And what we can do is just do one thing. I want to update it as well. We have a data class of motor vehicle. In this we have name, model, and manufacturer. And what we have a list of, let's example, we have a list of cars. Just remove, let me remove this. We have a list of car that is these cars. And also with the same class, let's have a, we can have the list of bikes as well. We can simply have the list of bikes, that is these are the bikes. So what if you want to combine both of them into a single list? So what we can do is, one way is you can have a mutable list, and then we can do all add all cars, and we can do add all bikes. This way you will be having a list of vehicles. Another thing which we can do is, basically which we can do is, we can have, well, vehicles that is equals to list of, we have the cars and we have bikes, right? We can have this in this way, the vehicles. And let's then try to print it, vehicles. Let's try to print it and see how it looks. So you can see a motor vehicle name this, and name like this, manufacturer Suzuki. And so this is how we have. So but it is giving us an complete an array, and it is giving us two different lists. If you see, like from here, yeah, it is giving, not, it is not giving us a single list, it is giving us two different list inside this vehicle. But to make it make it complete as a single list, what we can do is we can say, well, all vehicles, which will be equals to vehicles dot flatmap, and we can say it will give us list it. We can do it like this and flatten. It is giving us a suggestion, flatmap call should be simplified to flatten. We can also use this, or you can use the flat map. So now let's print all vehicle, and you will see it will so see, you can see it is not giving us a double list, it is giving us a single list. So basically, map we use when we want to transform, sorry, when we want to transform a list to a particular on the basis of some certain conditions, then we will use the map. And if you want to combine two or more lists into a single list, then we use flat map or flatten. So if you want to use the map and flat map together, then what we can do is, like if you want to get the if you want to the list of manufacturer from this from the list, then what we can do is manufacturers, and that will be equals to simple, uh, we can do like we have done like vehicles, we have dot map, sorry, we can use the flat map, that is it, and dot, we can say map it dot, we have manufacturer, model, or name, whatever you want. We want the manufacturers from all of them, like all the manufacturers of the all our vehicles. We can convert it to the again flatten dot map, because we are just using the it. And let's print match, and let's see what it will give us. So Maruti, Tata, Hyundai, Yamaha, and Suzuki, it gives us the list of the all the manufacturer we have for the both of the list. So this is how you can use map and flat map together. Also, now we have another thing, that is for each. So basically, one way to use the, because for example we have all vehicles, one way to use for each is for, we can use for I in all vehicles, and we can simply use it like this, because it is going to iterate in I in all the vehicles. Other way we can use the for each is like all vehicles dot for each. So it will be a lambda, it will give us it, and it will traverse to the all of the vehicles. So this is how you can use the for each. And yeah guys, so this is how you can use for each, map, flat map, and filter functions in Kotlin. And that's all for today. Do let me know how you like this video. I hope you have learned something new today. So guys, till then, we will see you in next video. Till then, do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.